Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to lock TikTok app in Android. So in order to lock TikTok application in Android or any specific application in Android, so you guys have two scenarios. The first scenario is when you have built-in app lock in your phone settings. So if you have built-in app lock in your phone setting, then it's pretty simple. And if you don't have, then it's also pretty simple. So suppose that you have by default option in your settings which named as app lock. So you guys have to simply go to your phone settings, and here you guys have to simply search for app lock, and here you guys have to simply click on the first app lock, and here you guys have to simply search for TikTok. And here you guys can see I have already toggled it on, so you guys must have to toggle it on and your lock will be applied to your TikTok. So it means no one can access your TikTok application without applying password or without applying screen lock. And the second method is if you don't have an app lock setting in your Android phone or iOS, so you guys have to simply go to Play Store, and in the Play Store you guys have to simply search for app lock, and here you guys have to simply install any of the app lock application. So after installing that, you guys can easily lock your TikTok application. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.